Hi guys, it is Monday, January 4th at 1:56 p.m. and we are starting off the series with me unpacking my room, and this is part 1, and I think today we're going to be continue working on the closet. Let me show you real quick, and then part 2 I'm going to be working on taking care of this and that, just so it's a little bit cleaner, and taking care of that. But this is what I'm started on. I worked off camera, but I still need to organize it a little bit better. I'm doing it rigid, babe, and I kind of want to do it with sleeve length, so tall, short, long, whatever, medium. And then this is just my walk-in closet. I have 8 more bags to go through. I've already gone through 4, maybe 5, 6. So yeah. But for the outfit that I'm going to be staying in, it's just pants and a sweater. And if I get cold, I can just grab something from my closet. Okay, so here's an update. I'm gonna flip the camera so you guys can see it. But this just looks so much better. And honestly, I am putting the same color tank tops or similar color tank tops in one hanger, so I optimize closet space and storage space. So that's gonna be fun. Let's just close that. So really, I'm just focusing on getting rid of these bags, but some of them are shoes. So I'm gonna take this stuff out and put some of my shoes in here, which I think it's gonna fit perfectly, honestly. And then if I have any extra shoes, I'm just gonna put it like along the sidelines. And as you can see, this is so much better because before all my creams and whites were mixed, and this looks great, but the back is white. So that just belongs a little bit there. And I need to get my other length jacket of these. That's why there's an empty hanger. But yeah, that's an update. So let's begin. My camera died, so I had to recharge it. I am filming this on my iPhone because I am a little bit too lazy to download the footage, and iPhone it is, since all I have to do is send it. But I was able to hang up my mirror because, you know, my old house, I did it and it looks a lot better personally. And I just did it with comment strips, as you can see, and I'll leave a link of the exact ones that I use and the hanger links, because these are pretty good cheap hangers. They were like $2 at Target. Basically everything comes from Target, including this mirror, and if I can find this mirror, I'll leave it down below, but I still have a lot. So here are my reds. I have to go back to Target and get more black hangers since I ran out of black hangers. I still have a couple of white hangers. But orange, I don't really wear orange. I still have to go through this and then this. Yellow, I don't really own a lot of yellow. Green, blue, I own a lot of blue, which is kind of an issue. I also own a lot of maroon and purple. I wanted to combine this next to the purple because it didn't look like red to me. Comment down below if it was like a good call, but I like it. So here are my pink / rose gold kind of color, cream, white, or cream, yeah, that makes sense. And then my black and gray, tan, and then miscellaneous, basically where anything wouldn't fit in a category, so I just have it there. And right here I just have like stuff, so my leggings, my PJs, sweatpants, and like colors. So prepare for a closet tour when I officially have everything set up and organized, because I need to move the blue since the blue is a lot and I had to do this. This is what basically all the dresses are, but yeah, it's a lot pretty. Oh, and I forgot to show this part. I need to get baskets, so it's a lot easier because I have like 4 bags of shoes, and I think I want to buy one of these, so it looks a lot nicer and a lot prettier in my opinion.